Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be learning how to make this stylish ruffle sleeve just like you can see here. So I made this one. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, let's get on with the tutorial.
The length of this fabric right here is 16 inches while the width is 5 inches. So guys, I have this larger piece to be in a fold of 2. The length is actually how full I want it to be. I multiplied what I want it to be at the smaller side by 3 because I want it to be 14 inches and that by 3 is 42. So I actually have 44 inches here, about 44 inches here, whilst for the width I have it to be 7.5 inches. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold this end right here and stitch it all around. Having made my stitch, this is what I have it looking like. I'll just go ahead to keep this piece aside. We'll be working on this larger piece first. Now guys, this my fabric right here is in a fold of 2 because I'm going to be cutting out one sleeve. Now the next thing I'll go ahead to do is to determine how long I want the pleated side to be. So for me, I want it to be 5.5 inches and I marked it right here. I also added half an inch for stitching allowance, and at the end of the day I have it to be 6 inches. Then coming to the bottom also, I subtracted 2 inches from 5.5 and that gave me 3.5 inches. I also came up by half an inch, making 4 inches. With the help of my ruler, I'll connect these 2 points together, and after doing so, I'll also cut the excess out. Once everything is cut out, I also go ahead to notch the middle of my fabric, and I'm just going to open this up and then make pleats. Now I want for the strap, I want the pleats to be 14 inches long, and I'll just go ahead to just make sure that I have it to be 14 inches. So guys, before making my pleats, I also went ahead to fold it at the both edges, and measuring this I have it to be 14 inches. Bringing my smaller piece of fabric, I'll just fold it into 2 just like you can see, and then measure out what I have. So I have it to be 2.5 inches, but I want it to be 1.5 inches. So I'll just go ahead to mark 1.5 all the way through. Once this is done, I will measure 14 inches and then shape it at the both sides. So I have the remaining one to be 2 inches. So I'm going to share it 1 inch for each side. So guys, as we make our stitch, this line right here is to guide us. Bringing the pleated piece, I'll just go ahead to insert it just like this, and then first of all make sure that where we have stitched for the pleated piece, that line is going to be aligning with what I have at the mark chalk line, and then that the both pieces of the band are also aligned to their self. So you just have to be careful and patient with this. I'll go ahead to pin it, and then on the sewing machine I'm going to make my stitch. This is what I have it looking like, having stuffed everything, and I'll just go ahead to trim off this excess at this point and then turn all of this out with either of the open edges. Once everything is turned out, you can go ahead to iron for neatness. Now the 1 inch that we left earlier is what I'm going to be using to join it to the main fabric. This depends on what you left and how long you want your sleeve to be. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching this far, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.